this video, we're going to cover the Well-Being Index Launchpad. This page gives you a quick look at some key statistics for each version of the Well-Being Index to which you have access. In addition, you are able to quickly navigate to your desired version and section within the admin portal. Looking at our demo accounts, you can see that we have a number of Well-Being Index versions available: Advanced Practice Provider, Medical Student, Nurse, etc. Each section has the ability to set a launch and reassessment date. To set these dates, simply click on the pencil icon. Here, you can set separate dates for each version, or select Apply to all accounts to set the same date for each one. You also have the option to set a recurring reassessment date in monthly increments from 1 to 12 months. The Launchpad also shows your percentage of participants with a high level of distress, along with the national average, and the participation rate as both a percentage and the actual number compared to the total invites sent. You can use the Jump to Section dropdown to navigate directly to your desired area of the admin portal for whichever version you would like to see. Finally, you can click the Admin dropdown in the upper right-hand corner to access your account profile settings, including your name, email, and password, your organization information, the Launchpad, alerts and announcements about what's new and updated in the Well-Being Index, the support portal, and the link to log out of your account. The Launchpad is a great way to get an overview of your different Well-Being Index versions and allows you easy access to all areas of the admin portal.